Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into managing a digital marketing campaign in Airtable, your full 2025 guide. Let's get started. The first step is setting up your base. This is where all your campaign data resides. It's important because it gives you a bird's eye view of your campaign. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. The second step is creating a content calendar. This helps us because it lets you plan and schedule your posts in advance. It's like a roadmap for your campaign, ensuring you're always on track. Next up is tracking your campaign analytics. This step involves setting up fields for metrics like impressions, clicks, and conversions. The reason we do this is to measure the success of your campaign. It helps you understand what's working and what isn't, so you can make data-driven decisions. Now, on to the fourth step, assigning tasks. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. When you assign tasks to team members, everyone knows their responsibilities and deadlines. This avoids confusion and keeps your campaign running smoothly. Finally, we have the review and adjustment stage. This involves regularly reviewing your campaign performance and making necessary adjustments. Let me explain why this matters. By continuously optimizing your campaign, you can ensure it delivers the best possible results. In conclusion, managing a digital marketing campaign in Airtable involves setting up your base, creating a content calendar, tracking analytics, assigning tasks, and conducting regular reviews. Remember, flexibility and adaptability are key to a successful digital marketing campaign. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy strategizing.